Hello, Roberto from Ciao Web. In this video, I want to show you what plugins I use for my master oxygen install. What I mean when I say master oxygen install is one installation of WordPress and oxygen in my server that I use where I put all the plugins that I normally use when I build websites for clients. What is the advantage of a master installation? Is that you can have you can constantly update the plugin, and every time you need to build a new website for a client, you already have one setting already done. And then what I simply do when I need to build a new site, I create a copy, export this installation in another server or in my local host, and then I build the site for my the new site for my clients. I want just show you which plugin I use, and maybe this can be useful for other Oxygen users. I will go in alphabetic order, and so let's start with the only one Favicon, sorry. English is my second language. This can be useful for creating just the plugin, the picture that appear in the tab of the browser. So you can choose. There are many sites where you can find the right icon for your site. I remember one I use very often is Icon Finder. Only one WordPress migration. I also use Backup Buddy, but I found this solution very good for fast migration of websites. So I think this plugin is for any kind. It's not just specific to Oxygen. Let's say that. And then let's go. This is a Ciao Web Maintenance. It's a plugin that I use. Actually, is Infinite WordPress. Obviously, I am a user of Infinite WordPress, so in a way I can update WordPress core and plugins to all my client websites. But this is just not a typical plugin for Oxygen. Now, code snippets. This is very useful. As you probably know, Oxygen completely overwrite the theme, so exclude the theme. So we don't have any function PHP file when we work with Oxygen. How can we sort the problem when we need some function to be used site-wide? We can use code snippets. That is a very good plugin. And then obviously Gravity Form is a plugin that I use, but it's not something that you can use yours. Okay, you can use other solutions. Insert headers and footers. This is another maybe I can just show. Let's go back 1 second to the code snippet. I can also show you the details of this plugin. Actually is the WordPress page of this plugin, code snippets. Okay, let's go back here and then let's see this insert headers and footers. Happens sometimes that you need insert a code in specific location. Okay, and what this plugin does is go to just insert code to the head of the footer in WordPress. So for example, sometimes when I use Google Search Consoles, they need to verify the owner of the website, and they give one verification code, and then I can use this plugin just to insert this verification code. So it's very useful as well. And then, okay, MicroThemer is a CSS. It's not specific for this video. It's a very good plugin for CSS editing. And then obviously Oxygen. Page scroll to ID. I know that there are plans in future version of Oxygen to have this as default. So the page scroll or the smooth scrolling is when you click on a link in a page and then you scroll smoothly to a section underneath. At the moment, this is a very good plugin that just gives you that specific effect. And then I use also SEO Press. Used to use Yoast, but I'm finding this one better and more, let's say, easier to use. Short pixel image optimizer. This is obviously my solution, but you can use the one you prefer to reduce the weight of the photos. And then also Sweet Performance Lite. I used to use Comet Cache, but I found this one very good, but I still having some little problems sometimes. So it's good, but need more. I need better use this one to understand if this is the right plugin for the job. For security, I use WordPress, but you can use iTeams Security. And then regarding the backup, I really like this WTime capsule where I own the lifetime license. Is very good because when I build, for example, a website, I need to build a new website, I can create a staging in the same server, make my modification or rebuild completely a website and then copy over. Very, very good. Okay, I think I mentioned all the essential plugins, but what you actually need with Oxygen, otherwise you can have a little problem, is only one Favicon, code snippets, insert headers and footer, page scroll 3D, and I think that these four plugins are essential to use with Oxygen. Hope you found this video useful, and so see you next time.